everyone, my name is Joel. I work here over at Noteboom RV, one of the sales guys here. Just want to let you know that we just got a Valor 42V13 2022 model come in, and would love to show you guys around this floor plan. Right now we have a great selection of units here, and like I said, we have just the 42V13 come in, as well as the other. We have a 36V11 Valor and a 40V13. So without further ado, let's go check this one out. Right now we're walking into the kitchen area. You can see there's so much storage all around the kitchen. You got your nice pantry door that lights up every time you walk in. Nice big size refrigerator. Great amount of counter space. You got, right on the island, you got two places you can put some get extra counter space on. Right over here, you got your tables and chairs, right, kind of sectioned off right by some nice big windows, which you can check out the view and enjoy your dinners and lunches out there. And right next to the kitchen, you'll be right into the couches and your little entertainment area. Got a nice view. TV's actually focused right by the couches, so no turning the necks, which is really nice and helpful. You do have some cool storage above the couches and nice big windows on all sides of the entertainment area. Nice deep storage there too. Alright, now we're into the ToyHauler. This is a 13-foot garage. You got 3 season doors on this. Of course, you have your loft and chairs that come up and down. My favorite part, you got an entryway to your side deck over there. As well, you can access it inside the garage area as well as your main area too. And right in here, we got your little bath and a half. Check out the bathroom in here. Now in this bathroom, you got your nice big residential shower and nice, great amount of counter space. When you walk in here, you can see great deep storage up in there. Nice storage up in here too, and even on below down where the sink is. Nice, great counter space. So plenty of space for all your toiletries. All right, now into the last part of the camper. You got your master bedroom, king size bed, great amount of windows all around the bed, up front too, right where your TV's at, and huge amount of space in your storage, right by the closet. Clothes, got washer and dryer prep on here too. Nice cool hidden storage. Check us out on our website at noteboomrv.com, and our phone number is going to be 605-743-4002. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Have a good day.